The race for the best Android phone of 2026 has already started, and to everyone's surprise, OnePlus seems to be leading. Even though Samsung's Galaxy S26 lineup hasn't launched yet, excitement for the OnePlus 15 is already much higher. It's clear that OnePlus is trying new things, while Samsung appears to be playing it safe. OnePlus has been doing really well lately, and the upcoming OnePlus 15 looks like it will continue that streak. The company has confirmed some major upgrades that are already turning heads. First, the battery is getting a big boost, a massive 7300 mAh capacity, which is 300 mAh larger than the battery in the OnePlus 13. Since the OnePlus 13 already offered up to 2 days of battery life, the OnePlus 15 could last even longer. Charging is also faster than ever. The OnePlus 15 supports 120W wired charging, an upgrade from 100W, and keeps its 50W wireless charging speed. That means you can fully charge your phone in just a few minutes, making it one of the fastest charging flagships in the world. Performance and display are also getting attention. The OnePlus 15 screen will reportedly have a 165Hz refresh rate, smoother than the 120Hz on the previous model. Although the resolution has been slightly lowered from Q8 to 1.5K, this change helps improve battery efficiency and gaming performance. What's even more impressive is the expected price. While most flagship phones keep getting more expensive, leaks suggest the OnePlus 15 might actually cost about $6 less than the OnePlus 13. That's rare in today's market and shows that OnePlus still values affordability. Powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and featuring a refined design, the OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be one of 2026's best Android phones. Early surveys even show that around 70% of voters are more excited about it than any of the Galaxy S26 models. Even though the OnePlus Hasselblad partnership might be ending, early camera samples look promising and show that image quality remains a strong point. On the other hand, Samsung's Galaxy S26 lineup doesn't seem to be generating the same level of excitement. Fans expected a big comeback for Samsung's flagship phones, but leaks suggest that won't be happening. The company had originally planned new versions called the Galaxy S26 Pro and S26 Edge to replace the standard and Plus models. Those names hinted at a fresh approach, but recent reports say both have been cancelled. Instead, Samsung is sticking with the usual S26, S26, and S26 Ultra. Even worse, the Galaxy S26 lineup might be delayed because some of the planned upgrades didn't meet expectations. This means Samsung may launch phones that look and perform almost the same as last year's models. The base S26, for example, is rumored to use the same camera setup as the Galaxy S22, a slightly larger 4300 battery, and the same slow 20W charging speed. For a premium phone brand, that's disappointing. The S26 XA and S26 Ultra also don't seem to have many major changes based on early leaks. Samsung appears to be playing it safe again, just like it did last year when the Galaxy S25 lineup failed to impress. The OnePlus 13, in comparison, offered great design, strong cameras, and long battery life, all for $900. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, which cost around $300, didn't feel like much of an improvement. Now, it looks like history is repeating itself. OnePlus continues to innovate and push forward, while Samsung struggles to bring fresh ideas. Unless Samsung surprises everyone before launch, OnePlus could easily dominate 2026. There's still time for Samsung to improve the S26 lineup, but the pressure is on. The OnePlus 15 already offers longer battery life, faster charging, smoother performance, and possibly a lower price. That combination will be hard to beat. For Android fans, this makes 2026 an exciting year. Those who care about performance and value will likely go for the OnePlus 15, while long-time Samsung users might feel disappointed by another safe update. Unless OnePlus makes a big mistake or Samsung makes a last-minute comeback, it seems clear who's winning the Android race. OnePlus is showing once again that bold ideas and fair pricing can still excite users. And that's exactly what the smartphone world needs right now.